Hello, I'm Darren Ruffle,
And I'm Mark Jackson.
and in this video we're going to discuss how to backflush your machine. To know if your machine needs to be backflushed, we recommend that you look at your user's manual, or of course you can always give us a call. So what backflushing does is it removes oil and coffee ground buildups from parts such as your solenoid valve, your brew group, your shower screen, your dispersion plate. For normal use, you're going to want to do this about once a week. We recommend you use a product such as Ernix Cafiza. And Ernix Cafiza is OMRI certified organic. It's NSF approved, and it's also kosher. So Mark, why don't you go ahead and show us how you backflush these machines?
Hi, in this video we are going to go into backflushing, but I did want to give you a little bit of advice. Any machine that has a three-way solenoid valve in our prosumer machines can be backflushed. Of course, both the Gaggia machines and the Rancilio Silvia also have a three-way solenoid, but the manufacturer does not recommend you backflush those machines. Now we're going to show you how to backflush your machine. All you need is you're going to need your portafilter. You're going to need a backflush disc, or a blind filter basket as it's sometimes called. And what it is, it's basically a disc that has no holes in it, so it allows the water to go back through the machine and then out the three-way solenoid valve or the outlet provided by your machine. I'm going to show you a little trick actually too. We're going to take and prepare our portafilter to backflush. We're going to take the backflush disc, we're going to turn it upside down, and then we're going to use the bottom upside down edge to remove the basket from our portafilter. So you just wedge it under there like that, real easy to do. Pop it out, pop this one in, make sure it's locked in there securely. There we go, we have it in there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the manufacturer's direction, and of course we're going to use Cafiza by Ernix. The manufacturer recommends that you use half a teaspoon or 3 grams of backflush material. So I'm going to dump it into my portafilter, and then I'm going to lock it into my group head. On this machine, this is the Pasquini Livia, so it does have a free flow button. I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works, and what I want to do is I'm going to press the button, I'm going to let it run for 10 seconds, and then I'm going to stop it. I'm going to repeat that 5 times. I'm not going to show you all 5 times. I think once will suffice. And then after that, I'll show you what we do next. We're going to go ahead, we're going to hit the button, and we're going to let it run for about 7 to 10 seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and stop it. Alright, now that we've backflushed our machine 5 times using the Cafiza, what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and rinse it out. So that removes all the stuff and the cleaning and the detergents that are in there. It's very simple to do. It's basically repeating the process without the Cafiza. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to lock our group handle in there. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to let it run again. We're going to do it about 10 seconds again. And then we're going to stop it, and we're going to repeat that 5 times. Now that we've gone ahead and we've backflushed our machine using the Cafiza 5 times, we also have rinsed it 5 times using the backflush disc, we're going to finish off the process. The last process is very simple. All you want to do is run clean water through the group head, and it's very easy to do. All we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit our button, let it run for about 10 seconds, Now we've done a programmable machine. Should you have a machine like the Brutus, the process is very similar. All you're going to do, instead of pushing a button, you're just going to go ahead and lift the lever, of course with the backflush disc and the Cafiza, following the manufacturer's instructions in the Cafiza, and you're just going to lift the lever and let it run for 10 seconds, push the lever down. You're going to repeat that process 5 times, and then of course you're going to rinse it 5 times as we did before. And again, the last process is just going to go ahead and run some clean water through it. The nice thing about backflushing your machine is that your shots will always taste clean and crisp, and you're going to provide some very important maintenance to your machine.